Today we're going to create our dolls a felt leprechaun hat. First, cut out a long black piece of felt, 8 inches by 1 inch. Then cut out a small little square of yellow, 1.5 inches by 1 inch. Cut out a green piece of felt, 3.25 inches by 8 inches. Then cut out 2 circles, 4 inches and 2.5 inches. You can use paper and trace it onto your felt. Have all of these pieces cut out. Here are all of the pieces you should have. Using the long green piece, connect its ends with hot glue to create a cylinder shape. Then take the green felt circles and cut out a smaller circle inside the larger one. You can use the 2.5 inch circle as a template. Make sure when you cut it out you don't cut too big. The hole should be a bit smaller than the 2.5 inch circle. Apply hot glue to the center circle of this piece and then connect it to the larger green cylinder. Then do a similar thing with the smaller circle by gluing it to the top. By now you should have formed the base of your hat. Take your black piece of felt and glue it on. For the yellow buckle, take scissors and cut in the center of it, like so. Then glue that on top of the long black piece of felt. Finishing this DIY doll no-sew leprechaun hat. Happy St. Patrick's Day! Make sure to subscribe and get crafting!